Hello students. Lucky Man was written by Carl Palmer when he was 14, and it was done by Emerson, Lake and Palmer, that power trio that was probably the leading band in the progressive rock genre. Now the song is made up of pretty much 4 simple chords, except the D is modified. And the song is in 3/4, 3/4, which means it's 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, with an emphasis on beat 1, and 2 and 3 are weak beats. So with a G and a strum of down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, it should sound like this. Now the modified D is a D suspended 4, and that's on the chorus. So it's A minor, and then E minor, then D suspension, and then D resolved. So looking very closely, I'm playing a conventional D, then I add my pinky to the 3rd fret of the 1st string. And like any suspension, there should be a resolution. Okay, and the song goes like this. There's an introduction of the G and the D played twice, about like this. 1 2 3 1, intro starts. He had white horses and ladies by the score, dressed in satin and waiting by the door. Ooh, what a lucky man he was. Ooh, what a lucky man he was. All right, let me stand up and let you see exactly what I'm doing, just that much. 1 2 3, intro starts. He had white horses and ladies by the score, dressed in satin and waiting by the door. Ooh, what a lucky man he was. Ooh, what a lucky man he was. White lace, and that's how the next phrase goes. Now, consider when Greg Lake played this in concert, it was with a 12-string guitar, and he was finger picking. Let me demonstrate what I'm doing. I have my thumb on the G for G, so I'm doing this. Okay, kids, have fun with that.